to conclude it, and I hope everybody is doing well. I would really thank and once again welcome respected Director, the Pioneer School, Sir Saddam Saab, and Sir Osman Mir Saab, Principal, Future Reformers, and one and the only Sir Abdul Razik, Principal, Global Public Islamic School. And I would really appreciate the efforts and the judgment and the time of Ms. Halima, who was with us, who was the judge of today's event, and all the students who came here. And finally, I would like to appreciate all the students who came here and who just came on the stage, like rightly pointed out by Osman Saab and Sir Abdul Razik Saab and Sir Saddam Saab. Those students who came here, they are the winners. For me, winner is not the one who got position, like first, second, third. For me, the winner is the one who came here, who came on the stage and spoke something. And this is our motto. The basic motto of this academy is to give students such platform to furnish their skills, to give them opportunity to take part in such competition like speech, debate, and other competitions. And there is a famous quotation I want to just mention by Albert Einstein. He once said that every one of us is genius, but if we judge the ability of a fish by climbing on the tree, so we would spend our whole life believing this, and it would never happen. So every one of us has the capability, is able to do different things. You might not be good at one thing, but you might be good at three others. So do not get dejected or disappointed if you do not get any position. Just stay positive, work hard, and keep taking part in such competitions to furnish your skills, to groom yourself, and hold the pressure of the stage. So with these words, I would like to end today's event, and I once again really thank all the distinguished guests who were with us, and they gave their precious time, and finally all the students who are here with us. And we will keep holding such events to give you a platform, to give you a chance to groom yourself and learn a lot and learn more. Thank you so much.